My name is Rick Butterfield. I'm the Manufacturing Manager at Dale Power Solutions. I'm responsible for the planning, manufacture and test of standby power products, including uninterruptible power supplies, battery chargers and diesel generators. We have 50 skilled electrical and mechanical fitters operating across 2 factories. The apprentice programme at Dales is invaluable because it gives young people an opportunity to learn how all departments operate and function together as a team. Technical apprentices undergo a combination of theoretical and practical workplace training. This provides a solid foundation that underpins the rest of their working careers. As a former apprentice myself, I know how important it is to have a strong technical background. In the manufacturing section, apprentices are mentored by skilled and experienced technicians. They learn how to interpret engineering drawings and to assemble and wire equipment using safe working practices and the latest lean manufacturing techniques. Ben Brim and Sam McGowan are currently working in the manufacturing and test section. Ben has built and tested a variety of different products and has shown a real aptitude for learning new skills and techniques. Sam is doing extremely well. She has an excellent understanding of product testing repairs. With her abilities, she will end up in a technical discipline such as design or test or product development. Ben and Sam are both exceptional apprentices and I'm very proud of their achievements to date. I'm currently standing in our new factory which has been custom designed for the manufacture of diesel generating sets.